baby, I want to tell you something deep inside my heart for all these lonely years. You know, I've been working day and night for Renopedia for the past 8 years. Today, I just want to tell you, I love you.
The referee has called for a break as we do not have any other soccer ball.
Wow, you very fit, huh? I think you can kill 2 tigers.
Hey James, you are the founder of Renopedia. I saw a lot of renovation videos from BTO to landed. Solid, bro.
You are more solid, bro. You see, you are the first Singapore footballer that play in Europe, and somehow you are the first Singapore sportsman millionaire, and somehow you have your own published biography. Even best, you are a national legend.
Hey James, actually, I want to talk to you about Renopedia. How does the platform really work for you and to help them build their dream home?
You see, I want to thanks to the support of 200 plus interior design firms and 50 plus product merchants. Thanks to their support. But then, on our Renopedia website and social media, people can find inspiration for their homes and ideas and tips, etc. This not only help them save time, save hassle, they can also find the best product and the most quality product or interior design firm for their dream home.
James, you know, I renovated my own home before. It's really not easy.
Of course not easy. Renovation is never easy one. But then you must understand that, Fandi. Nowadays, right, the interior design landscape have already changed already. How do I say change? Because nowadays homeowners, they don't just find one interior design firm. They will find a lot of interior design firms to get a lot of quotations and a lot of home design. Then from all these quotation and home design, they will find the one interior designer that is suitable for their dream home.
Hey, then is it possible to renovate with no cash in Singapore?
Don't joke with me Fandi. No money, no honey But then I share with you, there's this homeowner, right? They are a couple. So the husband is called Francis Bruno. Then the wife is called Ami. So that time, right, they use Renopedia, right, to find their ideal interior designer. They spent $23,000, right, to renovate their home. And then they win our lucky draw of $30,000.
The renovation cost was $23,000 and they won $30,000.
I don't joke with national legend one. Okay, so for those who want to renovate their house, right, they can visit renopedia.sg, and best still, they can stand a chance to win out to $50,000 on Renopedia.
$50,000? 50,000?
50,000!
How do I get started?
You want to get started, right? Very easy. Please click the link below to find out more.
Good renovation, lobang cannot hege, you know?
What is hege?
Cannot waste time lah. Must take action now.
Oh. Good renovation lobang cannot hege, you know? Please click the link below to find out more.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.